All right. All right. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to, create a file from your campaign. All right. So let's take for instance, you are running ads on this ads manager. All right. Let's say you have this campaign. So I'm going to use this as a case study. So let's say I have this campaign, DSTK sales 2 copy, and I have another ad account that I want to just copy the content of this campaign from the ad set to the ad level, everything from the ad set to the ad level. All right, so I don't want to start going to a different ad account and then copying and pasting the content of the ad. I want to have it in a single file like that I can just copy from here and paste it on a different ad account without having to create the ad from scratch. All right, so here is what I would do. So what I would do is I will check the campaign that I want to use, all right, like I did over here. And then on your ads manager, you want to look for where you would see this more button. All right. In some cases, it says something else in some ad accounts, but what you are basically looking for is the export selected toggle option, whichever you want to call it. All right. So you click export selected. So immediately you click export selected, export as XLSX. So once you export as XLSX, you click export. All right, it downloads on your folder. Now immediately it downloads on your folder. All right, what you then do is that you would open it. All right, so here is what you do. Once you open the file in your Excel, like your Excel file, your Excel folder, your Microsoft Excel. All right, so you look for the campaign ID. So if I come here, enlarge this a little bit, you see the campaign ID. All right, so you delete all the campaign ID, you delete all the campaign ID, all the numbers. All right, just like I'm doing here, you delete everything. All right, now you go over to the left side, you look for the ad set ID. Now the ad set ID is somewhere here. If I enlarge this is actually enlarged. You delete the ad set ID as well, everything. All right, everything, you delete it. The ad set ID, it's not needed. All right, you delete everything. Right, delete everything. All right, not that post button. Now once you delete everything, you save. All right, control S. Now you look for the ad ID. You could search it somewhere here. All right, but depending on how conversant you are with Excel, you look for the ad ID just like I've seen here. You delete everything as well, everything, everything, everything. All right, and then you save it. All right, so immediately you do this. All right, so this is a different ad account from where we exported our file from. So like I said, we've done the ad has been running, but we wanted to bring it on a different ad account. All right, so this ad account is where we want to bring it on. So if I want to bring it on this ad account, so what I will do is I'll click the more button again. All right, and I'll click on import ads in bulk. All right, and then I'll like click on text to Excel because I exported it as an Excel file. And then I'm going to look for downloads. All right, awesome. Then I'm going to click on the file that I exported. Then I'm going to click import. All right, so immediately I click import, the ad imports as it was on that ad account. Nothing changes, everything intact. Can you see the name, everything? I can go as well and just publish it. However, instead of publishing the ad newly, if you are running ads that needs your pixel, you know that the pixel on the other ad account is different. Then you have to come to the ad set level and make sure you select the right pixel and the right event here. All right, once you do that, your ad, you don't need to touch it. The engagement on the ad, everything is retained from the previous ad. It's just like you copied and pasted it and brought it here. All right, so like this is just the simple way that you go about you know exporting, and then you just publish the campaign, and just as it was on there, you start running here. And experience has told me that it doesn't impact performances. So the cost per result that you were getting on the previous ad account, you could as well start getting the same cost per result on this ad account. So I hope this video helps, and yeah, that is how you export and import campaigns on ad accounts, and I'm going to see you in the next one.